More Minnesota Police Department withdraws civil servants from schools because of a government law that limits the force that personnel members can use to control rebellious students. Law enforcement organizations expressed their concerns that the law will physically intervene in dangerous situations or will face other legal consequences. Alexandria and Faribault police departments from police departments on Thursday will not be in the Sro'lar, but students and personnel safety for benefit of a law enforcement in schools. He said, the law in question, including school resource staff, any school staff, student in face-to-face position, a student's ability to breathe disrupts any disrupts ability of student to convey distress, places pressure weight on neck, chest, lungs, sternum, diaphragm, back abdomen, forces student's body. Plymouth Police Chief Erik Fadden said in a statement, the way the law is being written right now, we cannot find a suitable way for our officers to provide safe and effective service in schools, and he will be vulnerable to unnecessary damages. At beginning of this month, the Chief Public Prosecutor Keith Ellison made a statement that reasonable power use was still allowed to prevent student or another physical damage or death. And at meeting with law enforcement advocacy groups, other questions were brought to the agenda. Ellison stated that these issues would be discussed more appropriate by Minnesota Legislative Assembly. Blaine Mayor Tim Sanders repeated these calls for a special session at the City Council meeting on Thursday morning. The obligation of this legislation for our schools should be a very high and special session, Sanders said. Nothing should be more important than our children. Blaine Anoka District Sheriff Office, Henneepin District Sheriff Office, Coon Rapids Department, Moorhead Department and Redwood Falls, including an increasing agency list, is participating in the list. Meanwhile, other agencies, such as Lakeville and Rogers Police Departments, decided to test the waters and to place the Sroa in schools.